Hello everyone. I just wanted to ask you if you knew about these Starcraft foils that we have. You can use these, of course, for heat transfer vinyl, where you would use the adhesive, Caesar Easy Weed adhesive. You cut that, you weed that, you put your vinyl on top of that, and you get this. But did you also know that if you have a laser printer at home, you can print your image, put your foil on top of the printed image, heat press it, and then voila, you have you can make a card or scrapbook page and have your foil embossed on the piece of paper. Tons of ideas. Send us some of your ideas and post it on this link. Have a good day. Bye.